How to get 10K LinkedIn followers in 2022 organically. In this video, you'll discover my top 10 plus secrets that allow you to get more followers on LinkedIn organically in 2022, and how to grow from 0 to 10,000 followers fast. Make sure you watch this video all the way till the end. So, without wasting your valuable time, let's get started with this video. Tip 1. Write LinkedIn articles to establish your expertise. You should write articles. This is the easiest way to get more followers and new connections on LinkedIn. Because LinkedIn has a unique publishing platform, you can use it to share blog posts on LinkedIn itself. LinkedIn is preferring content that's hosted on their website. By sharing an article on their platform directly, you will get more people sharing it. Other people will discover your content. If they are of good quality and value, they will follow you and help you to grow your audience. Tip 2. Craft short bite-sized LinkedIn text posts. Share value-rich text posts with eye-catchy titles. For example, see Tim Queen's post, How They Grab Audience Attention, with their interesting post. Text posts are usually short stories. You can use up to 1,300 characters, or roughly about 200 words, to tell something that you have learned in business or life. Tip 3. Create and publish videos on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is not YouTube, but LinkedIn has a huge advantage over YouTube. It prefers LinkedIn video content over external video content. By just using the video content platform on LinkedIn, you're getting more impressions than by sharing a YouTube video. By sharing video content on LinkedIn, by sharing something educational, something entertaining, something that is a life lesson from your personal life or from your business experience, here's a big tip. Make sure that you are using subtitles for your LinkedIn videos. Often the audio quality is not the best. By including subtitles, you are also exposing your content to people who prefer reading or those who might have hearing problems. Tip 4. Livestream on LinkedIn. Go live on LinkedIn. LinkedIn has a live streaming feature. That means you can live stream current events. Share the next time you're on stage and have something to say. Broadcast your webinar on LinkedIn as a second channel. Use it to share interesting insights. For example, you were at a conference and are reporting live from the show. Or you share something in real time. It's a great way to connect with your audience. At this moment, very few people are using the LinkedIn Live platform. That's a great opportunity for you to grow your LinkedIn audience in 2022. Tip 5. Use LinkedIn hashtags in every post. People often follow specific hashtags. By using hashtags sporadically, I recommend no more than 3 in each post. You allow people to organically discover your content through one of the hashtags they follow. I recommend that before you get started, research the hashtags carefully. Find out the specific hashtags that have followers on LinkedIn. That has relevant content, so you can find the right people and can pinpoint what kind of audience you want to attract to your LinkedIn network. Tip 6. Tag connections and companies in your LinkedIn posts. Tag people and organizations in your LinkedIn posts. LinkedIn allows you to tag people, companies, or organizations in your post. If you do, you have a great opportunity to grow your audience. Oftentimes people will get an instant notification. You will find that they will often engage with your posts. They will leave a comment or like or share. This will be then shown to their audience. Some of those people will come over to your post and will become followers of you. Tip 7. Create breaking news style posts. Be the first to report something. Be the first who is sharing a piece of news. Be the first to talk about something. By being the first to have an opinion that nobody else is sharing, by being the first, you are becoming unique. And uniqueness is of value. Everyone wants to be connected to the person who knows everything first, and who reports things first. You are becoming incredibly valuable to them, and that's why they want to follow you. Tip 8. Join the right LinkedIn groups. LinkedIn groups are currently getting a big makeover. LinkedIn is trying to make LinkedIn groups more attractive. Kind of like how Facebook groups used to be in the beginning. By joining LinkedIn groups, and then connecting with people. By sharing content in those groups, by being of value, you make it very likely that some of those very targeted niche people, who joined a very specific niche group, decide to follow you personally. Tip 9. Create a call to action in every post. This might be obvious. You have to ask people to follow you. Tell them in your social media posts. Tell them to follow you. Even write it on your LinkedIn profile description. Give them a reason why they should follow you. Tell them what kind of content you are sharing. Why would it be of benefit to be following you? What can they expect? And then deliver on that promise. Well, follow me on LinkedIn. I have provided the link in the description and comment box. Tip 10. Reply to comments. Every time you're sharing a piece of content, people will engage with your content. Often, they will leave your comments. Some people leave long comments. By taking the time to reply to all of them, you must keep your audience happy. Bonus tip. Create your own email newsletter. Create a newsletter. Start with email marketing. Well, use GetResponse for email marketing. This is the free and world easiest email marketing tool. We have provided the GetResponse free plan link in the description. Send out a weekly newsletter or monthly newsletters, share great content, have a lead magnet to motivate them to subscribe to you. Create a little PDF file, 3 to 5 pages with some content. To get this PDF file, they have to subscribe to your newsletter. Oftentimes you'll find that, when you share valuable information in your newsletter, other people will forward it to a friend. Make sure to promote your LinkedIn profile in your newsletter. Ready to amp up your LinkedIn marketing strategy in 2022? Which one of the 11 tips did you like the most? Tell me in the comment box. Make sure to subscribe to Smart Business Learning, hit like, and share this video with at least your one best friend. Good luck in 2022.